almost like permission to be the water cooler conversation in the midst of your work.
Totally. Yes, like, that's why so one of my passions is helping I say creative entrepreneurs, but really it's creative entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, those who think they shouldn't be on LinkedIn, get on LinkedIn
Mm.
because you can be a pattern interrupt on that platform. Again,
Ooh.
as long as you're posting through the lens of work, and that's whatever your work is, you're allowed on this platform. And so if your work is floral arranging, I you are a pattern interrupt on LinkedIn when I see pictures or a quick video on how took all these different flowers and put them in a beautiful bouquet, or you are a pattern interrupt if you're a fitness trainer and you have a post that shows me 3 stretches I can do at my desk in the day. Like,
Mm.
you are that break, but on other platforms, it wouldn't feel that way. But on
Yeah.
LinkedIn, you're gonna stop the scroll.
Ooh.
And so you're right, it is that water cooler moment.
Yes.